Hello, this is Heidi McDonald from Unique Teaching Resources. I'm here to show you a math PowerPoint that I made for the season of fall. I've put this in my Thanksgiving resources, but it can be used anytime during the fall season. It's called Fall into Math Leaf Puzzles, and it reviews addition and subtraction for math. I'm using a slide of this and showing it on a video because it shows you the animations and gives you a better idea of what this PowerPoint presentation is about. To do this puzzle, the students use the numbers 1 through 9 to fill in the empty spaces in each box. And each number is used only one time. As the puzzles get more difficult, you need to remind your students of this because it will help them to solve the puzzle. So they're going to fall into math. This is slide number 1, and they get progressively harder. Okay? What they have to do is using addition or subtraction, and this slide only uses addition, to find out what goes in each square. There is an answer sheet that I'll show you at the very end of this slide. Okay? Again, this one is a little bit easier. Remember, to point out, they're only going to use the numbers 1 through 9 to solve this. So they know that 2, 5, 4, and 9 have already been used. They need to figure out where to put 1, 3, 6, and 7. Okay? Then the next slide comes up. I'm going to go through this a little bit quicker, to the answer, and the answers show up for the students to correct their work. There are 5 different activities. I would do one as a warm-up activity each day for a week instead of doing them all at once, but it would be your choice. I'll show you number 2. Okay. This one here involves addition and subtraction. And the answers for number 2, I'm going kind of quick. Okay. And again, remind them that when they're trying to figure out what goes in the empty spaces, the numbers 1 through 9 are just used one time each. Question number 3, which would be for your 3rd day of the week if you're doing one a day. Okay? And this one's going to get a little bit harder. Okay? The only one that they're going to be able to figure out right away is this square here. Okay? Remind them again, you're only able to use the numbers 1 through 9, and each one is used one time. Okay? They progressively get harder. Again, there are 5 of them. I'm going to close this up and show you the answer keys. Okay? And I have 2 versions of the answer key. I made them with leaf templates, so your students would have the first 2 on this page, number 3 and 4 on the following page, and number 5 on the last one. I tried to make this template with leaves on it so it followed the same theme, but I realized that that took up 3 sheets of paper, so I also made one that they all fit on one paper, but they don't have the leaf in the background. So your students have an answer response sheet that's included in this. I hope that your students fall into enjoying this addition and subtraction PowerPoint activity. Thank you very much. This is Heidi from Unique Teaching Resources.